Okay, so today we're going to talk about how to create an argumentative paragraph. So the first thing you're going to look at doing is making your claim. Your claim is your answer to the prompt. In this case, your claim is going to be, which dog breed is the smartest? That's your prompt. So you want to rephrase your question. So you might say, the smartest dog breed is, and then fill in your choice. Pause the video now in order to write your claim into its place on the graphic organizer. Next, we're going to fill in an example. Remember, an example is evidence directly from the text that supports your claim. It must be true. You might precede your example by saying, for example, and put a comma and then quotation marks around the quote. You could also say, for instance, or in fact. Go ahead and pause the video and fill in one example from the text that supports your claim. After you provide an example, you always need to create an explanation. Your explanation is going to be the thoughts from your head that explains the evidence, and it connects your evidence back to the claim. You need to explain what the evidence is. So one way you could do this is saying, this is important because, and explain how that evidence relates back to your claim. You could also say, this shows that this dog is the smartest breed because, and then go ahead and relate it back. Go ahead and pause the video again and go ahead and fill in your explanation for your first example. Next, you are going to create a second example. So this is a different quote than your first one, but you're going to do the same thing. You're going to pull evidence from your text in order to support your claim. Pause your video and put in your second example. And now, just like we did before, we need to explain that second quote. So go ahead and pause the video and explain how this quote shows that your dog breed is the smartest. And now we are at the end of our argumentative paragraph. So we're going to create a conclusion sentence. A conclusion sentence is going to summarize your claim, but you have to use new words. And you're going to leave the reader with something new. Please excuse Lucy. She really wants to play. So some ways that you could start your conclusion are in conclusion, as a result, in summary, or this is why. Go ahead and pause this video, create your conclusion sentence, and once you've done that, you have all the parts that you need for a paragraph. So go ahead and when you are done with the graphic organizer, grab a Chromebook, and pull up Microsoft Office and type up a paragraph. Good work, guys.